What's up guys, welcome back to our channel, welcome to another video. Hope you guys are doing great today. Hope you guys are in good health. Today we're here to give you guys some update on Catherine Estate, but just before I get into that, I want for you guys to like this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe to the channel if you have not yet done so. And if you realize that you're not getting notifications, just go right ahead, turn off your post notification and just turn it back on, alright? So guys, the NHT has announced that they will be having another set of intake at Catherine Estate. This time they'll be offering 91 units. So you guys can go on their portal to put in your application. Application opens on Tuesday, November 21st, and it runs to Wednesday, November 22nd. So guys, remember, it's the 21st and the 22nd of November, so you don't want to miss out on this opportunity. And just in case you guys don't remember what the units are looking like, remember we've done a full tour of these units when they just came out, when they were just being sold for the first time. So you guys can always go back and check out those videos to give yourselves a refresher. Alright, so basically the portal is normally open from early in the morning, probably about 8 o'clock is the usual time. So guys, just go on, check out what's going on the portal and get one of these units if you are interested. So pretty much the information was published in the newspaper as well as on their website. The duplex studio units, they'll be having 81 of those up for grabs. The price range from 7.55 million to 7.93 million. And you know the price varies depending on the size of the lot. And you can also get 10 one-bedroom units at the price point of 8.31 million to 8.96 million dollars. So guys, go on the website Tuesday, November 21st, put in your application. Also on the 22nd, which would be the Wednesday, remember that you don't need an eligibility letter to apply. You just go on, put in the required information there, and you submit. Remember, we also have a video on the application process. You guys can check those out as well as I'll give you guys a little piece of the inside of the video in this shot, as well. I'll probably just give you a quick little tour just to give you guys a reminder. So on screen now guys, I'll be giving you a view of the floor plan, so you guys can look back on that as well and give yourselves an idea of what it is that is there, that is being offered. So guys, remember, ChriSamz always try to keep you up to date with the developments and with the properties. And now is the time to apply again for Catherine Estate. So you can either grab one of the 81 studio units, or you can grab one of the 10 one-bedroom units. Size is on screen, price is on screen, as well as a quick tour of the unit will be on your screen. And just in case I don't say everything, remember to check out our previous video. So guys, wish you guys all the best. Remember to take care of yourselves, take care of your loved ones and your family. Weather is not as good from the other day, but guys, just be safe out there, keep yourself in good health, and remember to share love every day. So I'll definitely catch you guys in another video. Hope you enjoy this one. Remember to like, to share, subscribe, leave your comment, and we'll definitely catch you guys on the other side of this video. So take